Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to INFINIX Smart 6 HD. Firstly, open Play Store on both smartphones and install free app called Send Anywhere from this developer. Following that, just open it. Now you need to click on I accept, confirm, continue and allow, then do the same on INFINIX smartphone. Following that, choose receive on INFINIX and send on an Android. Then finally you can tap on all of those dots on your Android smartphone and when you're ready, select send. This way you will select all of your files that you clicked on and send them later on. It will take a long time to do it now, so I will go with only one photo. Click on send and tap on got it. Now on INFINIX you need to choose yes, I agree or no thanks and close this window. As you can see, finally we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code using scanning icon on INFINIX, choosing while using the app or only this time, and pointing this camera at this code. But we can also input this key over here instead and tap on receive button. As you can see now, after a while, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!